What's up YouTube, this is Beginner's Edge, and this is going to be my unboxing of this monstrous kit, which is the RE1 or RE100 Reborn Nightingale. So let's look at the box. I literally have to move to a different space. This is actually my seat, and because it doesn't fit on the table on where I'm working at, so because this is just a huge 1/100 scale Nightingale. So here on the side you see some descriptions. Here you go. On the side as well, it's a nice box arts. Over here is the completed version of it, and as you can see here, it says around 8,000 yen supposedly, so maybe around $8, but I actually bought it a lot more cheaper than that. I got a deal on like a Craigslist person that is selling his stuff, so I was able to get this kit. So this is the box art, very nice, and this is made 2014 of, I'm not sure which month, but it was manufactured 2014, fairly new. So opening the box, here we go. Nice. Let's see what it has. This part's over here. So this is for the shield. So it's all in one plastic. That's a massive shield. Look at that size. Just only a shield. This is for the arms. You know, the wings on the side here. So that's the right and left. We have polycaps. There you go. These are leg parts. I believe this is maybe part of the head by the shoulders area. Not so sure, but that's what I would assume. More black parts. We have thrusters over here, a lot of thrusters. So these are the thrusters inside, the yellow parts. We have some decals over here. There you go. More black parts for inner frames. Yep. Parts, some more thrusters. Oh, a lot more thrusters. So this kit has a lot of thrusters. I would say a lot, that's a lot. Just one plastic of the butt part. These are for the feet. There you go, feet as well. Arms. There you go. Beam sword, or like a beam axe together with the gas tank behind. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is for the skirts. At the back is gonna be this. I think these are still inner frames. Arms still, and that's a huge beam rifle. Look at that size. It's really like this size. and the clear part, oh not clear part, sorry, another gray parts, another pair of gas tanks over here, and we have the clear parts, just like one, let's see, 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3, and the spider like hands over here. And I don't know what this is, not so sure how to read it, but comes with it. Has like 2 fold stickers. I believe this is gonna be for the gun. And of course the user manual. So let's see what we can find here. I'll try to give it, okay, all the parts. So I think this is gonna be an easy build, just because of the base of it as like an RE. So most of the time they would tell, you know, I'm still a beginner, but most of the time, as far as I would understand, REs are like HGs that are massive in size, like a master grade. So but this is, I believe, the biggest 1/100 scale in their line right now. But I'm actually going to go for a custom paint on this one, just like my last video, which I did the amazing red warrior, and I did my first ever custom paint, but that is like close to the original color. But this time I'm actually aiming for a totally different color for this kit, so not close to the red. I'm still debating on which colors I'm gonna go for, but I truly wanted to change the color of the entire kit. So once again, this is Beginner's Edge. Hope you stay tuned for this build, and I'm looking forward on building and customizing the paint on this kit.